Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Then choose Additional Settings. Now click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboard, and Keyboard. Over here, select Theme section, scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. Now tap on the best theme for you and click on this switcher next to keyboarders in order to manage them. When you're ready, choose Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and tap on this icon under my themes, the plus one. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, select those three lines at the top left corner, select one of those sources like images, and tap on the photo here. Now pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Following that, choose Done, manage keyboarders and select Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon and making your changes. Then adjust brightness, choose Save and remember to click Apply one more time. If you wish to delete it though, click on it, but this time select this pin icon next to keyboarders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So now finally, when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!